You guys want to link up?
I don't know if I can hear you too good. You might have to pop your teeth back in.
How do you know I didn't have any teeth in?
I heard a thing or two because I seen a thing or two.
Okay, so you want me to pop my teeth back into the mouth?
Yeah.
Say less.
That's much better, cutie. This is the Love Muscle Exo, and I have evolved into my final form.
Oh, what happened to Lucky back there? Lucky, run. This way, Lucky, this way.
His luck has just run out.
He died. Help, I'm out. I'm out of ammo. I'm out of ammo.
Testing. Is anybody out there? I need backup. I need help over here, fellas. I'm friendly. I need help. I'm putting my weapon away. My teammates are getting peppered with backshots over there in the distance. I could use some help from you guys. You guys think you can help me or not? Hey, what are you doing? Why would you kill the muscle? I was trying to be friendly. Why would you do that to me?
Muscle, no.